It will be super weird celebrating Christmas under these corona circumstances, but I can't wait to be gathered with my family again. Of course, with some distance, but I'm very excited to see my family again.